Wonders of the Jungle, 2nd Standard, Unit 2, Term 2.
I am going to see the animals. I will come with you. Gaur, rhino, cheetah, wolf, bear, hippo, giraffe, crocodile, zebra, monkey, deer, tiger, gorilla, lion, elephant. Fun in the forest. Monkeys can jump and parrots can fly. Turtles can swim and cheetahs can run. Giraffes are tall and hippos are big. Zebras are swift and tigers are strong. We see the animals here today. They love to play and love to say, would you join us and play? Chutti's tale.
Chutti was a squirrel, a tiny happy squirrel. Chutti liked to run and play. She jumped over little stones. She jumped on big stones. She stood on 2 legs to look around. She ran on 4 legs over the ground. Chutti liked to have fun. One day, Chutti turned her head. She looked at her tail. It was fluffy. It was light. But of what use was it? Chutti went to the doctor bear.
Doctor, can you give me a new tail? This one is not good.
Why, Chutti? It looks very good. Does it hurt you?
Oh, these are nice. I like that one, please.
That's a monkey's tail, Chutti. You won't like it.
But I want it. It is long. I can help me climb trees. Please change my tail, doctor.
Well, all right. Chutti got a new tail. It was long. It was curvy. She loved it, but she could not run. You see, Chutti was small and light, but the tail was long and heavy. So, Chutti went back to the doctor.
I don't like this one. It doesn't move. I want the lovely striped tail.
That's a cat's tail. You won't like it.
Oh, I really like it. Please do fix it on me.
Well, all right. Chutti was happy with the new tail. A dog saw her tail. He thought it was a cat. He chased her. Chutti ran fast and climbed a tree. Her heart was going dub dub.
Ho, ho, ho. This won't do.
Chutti went back to the doctor.
Doctor, please give me back my old tail. I don't want a new tail at all.
I told you that. Here you go. Now your old tail is fixed.
Wally and Chittu talk about names. Hello Chittu and Mittu. How are you?
We are fine. Why do you call me Mittu and my sister Chittu?
Oh, it is your name.
Why do we need names?
We need names to call people.
Does everything have a name?
Yes, people, places, animals and things all have names.
Okay. People, places, animals and things all have names. We call them as nouns. Now match the name to the picture. So we have nouns which we need to match it to the words. Now picture of a cow. We have a picture of crow. Then we have table, carrot, school and ball. So all these are called nouns. Now read, sort and write. So here we have to do the grouping person, place, animal and thing from the group given. So cat is an animal, Wali is a person, pen is a thing, girl is a person, ball is a thing, Chennai is a place, zoo is a place, goat animal, fan thing, father person, shop place, dog animal. Write true or false. Chutti was a tiny cat. False. Chutti did not like her ears. False. The monkey's tail was long and heavy. True. Dr. Bear gave Chutti a dog's tail. False. Chutti was finally happy with her own tail. True. Listen, think and write. Here we need to choose the correct answer and fill up. Chutti met the bear to change her tail. Chutti saw the tails on the wall. The cat has a striped tail. The dog chased Chutti around the tree. Fill in the missing letters. First one is monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y. Next is rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T. Next is cat, C-A-T. Dog, D-O-G. Now, here we have some words: found, left, men, bring, wish, black, let, use, write, end. These words we need to read aloud and circle the words in the given sentence. I found a pen. They are men. Bring me a book. Wish you a great day. The black cat has come out. Open your right and left hands. This is the end. Let me use the book. Now we have grammar part, have and has. Here is a video for you to understand where to use have and has.
Have and has. Present tense. We say have. With I, you, we, they. We say has. With he, she, it. I have. You have.
We have.
John and I have. Sarah and I have. They have. Carlos and Maria have. John, Sarah, and David have. He has. John has. David has. Omar has. She has. Sarah has. Maria has. My mother has. My sister has. Rosie has. It has. The dog has.
I have 2 brothers.
I have black and purple hair.
I have green eyes.
You have 2 sisters. You have 1 brother. You have a black beard. We have big eyes. Kate and I have big eyes.
We have $100. George and I have $100. We have gray hair. George and I have gray hair.
They have blonde hair. Dave and Sarah have blonde hair.
They have $80.
Mary and Sarah have $80.
He has 4 sisters. John has 4 sisters. He has brown hair. Carlos has brown hair.
She has wavy black hair. Akari has wavy black hair.
She has straight brown hair. Anna has straight brown hair. She has blue eyes. Sarah has blue eyes. Sarah has 2 brothers.
It has blue eyes. The dog has blue eyes.
Okay, let's talk about grammar. Have and has. Where do we use have? When the subject is I, you, we, they, the verb which has to be used is have. When the subject is he, she and it, the verb used is has. What do you have? So the subject here is you. So the verb is have. I have a toy. I is the subject, have is the verb. What do I have? I again is the subject, have is the verb used. You have a book. You is the subject, have again is the verb used. What does she have? Now she is the subject used. She has an umbrella. So she is the subject, so the verb is has. What does he have? He is the subject used. He has a ball. So has is the verb. Now what do they have? They is the subject. So the verb becomes again have. They have kites. Again let's write has or have in the blanks. I have an apple. I is the subject, have is the verb. He has a cake. He is the subject, has is the verb. You have a car. You is the subject, have is the verb. She has a pen. She is the subject, has is the verb. They have a pet. They is the subject, have is the verb. Rani has an egg. Rani means she. So when she is the subject, we use has and verb. Now here are some sounds which you need to make your child say and read the words. So we have O, boat, then road, then we have crow, O, grow, O, then we have stone, O, then we have row, O. Now again we have to read these words loud. Load, toad, foam, roam, coat, goat, flow, grow, show, slow, snow, row, cone, loan, tone, pole, note, vote. Now here we have to circle the words with the long O sound. Now the crow is on the road. So we have the long O sound in crow and road. The Todd is on the snow. So Todd and snow is the long O sound words. The goats go in a row. Again, goats and row are the long O sound words. The boat is so slow. Boat and slow are the long O sounds. The cone is full of foam. Cone, foam. The note is on the coat. Note, coat are the long O sound words. Add E, write and read the word. So basically we need to add E at the end of the given word and make a new word. So hop becomes hope, cop becomes cope, nod becomes node, knot becomes note, corn becomes cone, for becomes for, rod becomes road, mop becomes mope, rot becomes road. Here we have fill in the missing letters. First picture says boat, B-O-A-T. Next is stone, S-T-O-N-E. Next we have rope, R-O-P-E. Next is crow, C-R-O-W. Then we have rose, R-O-S-E. And then we have road, R-O-A-D.
Where is my cup? Monty is sad. Where is my cup? Not here, not there. Where is my cup? Not on the mat, not under the bed. Where is my cup? Not in the bin, not on the pot. Where is my cup? Not in the tub, not here, not there. Oh, it is here. It's in my bag.
Match the pictures with the names. Here we have pictures and these pictures we have to match them to the word. The first is cup, bag, bin, pot and a tub. Next we have sequencing. We need to put the number in order. Before you could do this, make sure you go through the story and let the child understand the story and then only complete the sequencing. So here we have already written down the numbers. So you can also teach the child the same sequencing. Name any 6 animals from the picture. So we have lion, zebra, monkey, hippopotamus, deer, giraffe, fill in the blanks and match the words with the pictures. So first fill in the blanks. boat, B-O-A-T, crow, C-R-O-W, stone, S-T-O-N-E, road, R-O-A-D, rope, R-O-P, and then match the words to the given picture as we have done already. Listen to your teacher, read the story and circle the word. So here there is a small story. Make your child read through it first, and then we have given some words. So they have to circle the words. I cannot find my black pen. I found the red pen on the table. My father left it there. I found the blue pen on the chair. My sister left it there. She did not let me use a pen. So the words are found, left, wish, black and use. Write the names in the correct place. Now here these are nouns. So person, place, animal and thing. The child has to sort it through the given words. So park is a place, hen, animal, chair, thing, school, place, crow, animal, Tara, person, beach, place, pig, animal, pen, thing, pencil, thing, John, person, Kavya, person, cat, animal, ball, thing, garden, place, Arun, person.